I'll start today. I'd like to thank you for joining us again in this research meeting. My name is Kent. I'm at the Intercultural Communications faculty in UP University. I'm afraid that one of our most important members, Ruth Carlos, cannot be with us today because she's caught a very bad cold. We're very envious of your warmth there because it's snowing outside today. You can understand why Ruth is unable to join us. I'd like to begin first by saying a few words, a brief description of the centre here. This is the Afrasian Research Centre. We began in 2005 as a 5-year project, and at that time we were concentrating on conflict and what conflict is and how we can resolve conflict. And we had to look at this from a number of different areas. We have continued on from there, and our 3-year project centres more on multiculturalism. As you know, multicultural society involves a lot of conflict, and it involves a lot of issues. To be able to have people live together in a peaceful way, in a meaningful way, in a productive way, is not an easy thing to do. And so you need to look at these issues from both the political side, from the people who are actually doing moving and becoming the multicultural side of society. And one particular aspect that we've taken up this time is the idea of language. Language policy mainly, and because without a language it's very difficult to improve your status in society. So we've looked at the language policies, especially in Japan and other places in Asia. So our group here, which is Group 1, has concentrated on the movement of people, immigration, mainly in the Asia-Pacific area. And today we're going to hear a little bit more about all that. We have 2 speakers today. One is Professor Ikeda. She is from the University of Hyogo, but at the moment we own her as part of our centre. She is visiting with us for this year, the end of the year. And so we are very lucky to have her with us. She did her PhD at Kyoto University, and her major fields of interest are Asian economies, local development in the Philippines, and at the moment she's studying migration in relation to her work here. We also have one more speaker, Aysun Uyar Makibayashi, who has a very long name because she's just recently been married, so she's extended her name. She's now teaching at Doshisha University, where she's an assistant professor at the Faculty of Global and Regional Studies. This is a new faculty, so she has a lot of challenges ahead of her. She's been studying international political economy, international relations, and also security issues. And I think today we're going to hear more about the security issues that she has talked about in our group. And when we have finished all this, we would like Director Asis to respond to our 2 speakers. And we hope that everybody there will become involved in the forum after. So that is all I have to say. I would like now to go to our computers and start with Professor Ikeda.
Thank you very much.